Hey everyone, Technomentor here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to shut down your iPhone in a few different ways on the latest version for any iPhone. So let's get started. So the first method we're going to use is the buttons on our iPhone. You're going to locate either the volume up or volume down button along with this big side button. So you want to hold either the volume up or volume down button at the same time you're holding this side button. So I'm going to press and hold the volume up and the side button for about a few seconds until this menu turns on, which I can simply then slide to shut down my iPhone. Now, if you don't want to use the buttons, the next method is going to be by going through your settings, and then you go to general and scroll down here where it says there's an option to just simply shut down. You can click on it. The same exact thing will slide this to power off or to shut down our iPhone. Now, a third method involves just using Siri. If you have Hey Siri turned on or activate Siri by pressing the side button, you're going to simply tell Siri to shut down your iPhone. So you're going to say, Hey Siri, shut down my iPhone.
Just to confirm, you want to power off this device?
Yes. And then Siri will want you to confirm that you want to shut down. You simply say yes, and it will shut down your iPhone just like that. And now you might be wondering how to turn it back on. Well, it's going to be simple. You're going to press and hold the side button this time, just that one button for about a few seconds, or basically until you see the Apple logo appear, and at that time you'll let go of it. Now, if that isn't working, you can also connect it to a charger like you normally would charge your iPhone, and that will also turn it back on if it's shut down, and it will reboot up normally just like that. And that's how you shut off or shut down your iPhone and then turn it back on. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider hitting the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. We'll see you guys next time.